Samsung will reveal the Galaxy S26 Ultra at the next Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9. In contrast to prior versions such as the S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra, S22 Ultra, S21 Ultra, and S20 Ultra, the S26 Ultra will not have a battery upgrade. However, it is projected to feature quicker charging speeds of 65 watts, which is a major increase over the existing 45-watt fast charging. The S26 Ultra also features a 200-megapixel camera, however the specific sensor is unclear. Last month, a source said that Samsung is aiming to upgrade the main camera sensor for the non-Ultra Galaxy S26 model, which might be identical to the S26 Ultra. There has been no confirmation of a design change for the S26 Ultra, although there might be a cosmetic difference, as seen with Apple's slim device launches this year. Samsung is also expected to release the Galaxy S26 Edge, which might replace the S26 Plus, which has historically been the lowest-selling flagship phone. This might lead to the release of Samsung's Exynos processors for the Galaxy S series next year. According to Korean media, Samsung has commenced mass manufacturing of prototypes for the Exynos 2600 chip, which will be utilized in the S26, S26 Plus, S26 Edge, while the Ultra variant will remain exclusive to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip. The Exynos 2600 is a 2nm chip that offers significant enhancements over the Exynos 2500. While it may not have the same power as the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, it should come close. As of yet, the only major revelation is that the S26 Ultra's battery does not change, but it does charge faster, which is a nice improvement. Samsung is offering a $50 reservation credit to everyone who hits the link in the description and joins up for the event. The corporation is also providing other incentives to individuals who join up. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.